Hi, everybody. Rusty Albertson, Director of Communications at St. Mark the Evangelist Catholic Church and School. Wow, just wanted to show you the nearly completed renovation of Msgr Schafer Hall, and things look very, very beautiful in here. The cloud ceiling is in place with all the lighting. The speakers are in place for the PA system and the audio in here. You can see the different contrast of the colors of the wall. We have the kind of darker gold, like this is in the Parish Center, with the off-white. The trim has been painted. The trim around this place looks absolutely beautiful. Looks like it's new, but it's not. Everything else, the lowered ceiling, like I said, is in place. The doors are all been done and in place, the new doors. You can see that everything has been cleaned up on the old woodwork and the old choir loft of the old church. This is going to be a storage area for tables and chairs in here. Nice big area as well. That's going to be the new TV that will be mounted up on this wall, 85-inch. This is where we will have live streams for overflow masses, for like the one next Saturday when the Archbishop is here at 4:30 p.m. and also Easter, Christmas, and other masses that are overflow. You can see on the this is a cloud floating ceiling that is in beautifully placed with LED lighting. Again, the trim work has been painted and the lower part has been put up, and it looks so nice. The flooring will be done at a later time. We're still working on expenses for the flooring so that everything looks good in here. We hope that this is ready to go next Saturday for our overflow for our Archbishop Mass that starts at 4:30, and we hope everybody has a great weekend. God bless you.